Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Turn off the LG Smart TV and the home theater receiver before you start connecting. Unplug power if possible to avoid short circuits and noise. Gather an HDMI 2. One cable marked ARC or eARC for best performance and support for 4K and Dolby Atmos. Prefer a cable about 2 meters to reach most setups without tension. If your receiver lacks HDMI ARC, use a Toslink optical cable and check the optical port shape before inserting. Keep small tools and cable labels nearby for a tidy install. Locate the TV HDMI jack labeled ARC or eARC on the back of the LG Smart TV. Insert the HDMI 2. One cable firmly into that port until it clicks and shows a snug fit. Run the other HDMI end to the home theater receiver port labeled HDMI OUT or HDMI ARC. Tighten cable routing with clips and avoid sharp bends less than 3.5 centimeters radius to protect the cable. If you chose optical, align the Toslink connector and push gently until it seats. Reconnect power to both devices after connection. Power on the LG TV and the home theater receiver and wait for boot sequences to finish. On the TV, go to Settings, then Sound Out, and choose HDMI ARC or optical based on your cable. Turn on SimpLink or HDMI CC to allow the TV remote to control receiver volume and input switching. Set the TV audio format to pass-through or bitstream to preserve Dolby or DTS codecs. Play a test video with 4K or Dolby Atmos tracks and listen for correct channel mapping. Adjust lip sync delay if audio leads or lags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.